Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Jenny. Has this ever happened to you? Your baby's had a tomato-based meal like spaghetti or lasagna, and afterwards you have a huge mess and you try to clean it, but you still have that tomato stain on the chair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to naturally and quickly get rid of tomato-based stains on your baby's chair. So the first step to cleaning up our mess is to wipe off any of the loose particles, loose food. And I've been letting this stain sit for 45 minutes before filming to really get a good stain on the table so that you could see how well this works. And you want to use just a warm, damp cloth. So then the next step is to take some vinegar, and you can use any type of vinegar that you have. I'm using white wine vinegar, but you can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, anything really. And then the next step, and this is the fun part, this will take you back to your 5th grade science class. We take some baking soda, or some people call it natron, or sodium bicarbonate. And this is about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then you just sprinkle the baking soda on top. And as you can see, it's fizzing. And we let it sit for a minute or so, and then you can wipe it off. And the stain should easily come off. And if you've let your stain sit too long, like I did, then you can just reapply the baking soda and the vinegar again until the stain comes out. But it should really only take 1 or 2 tries, even if the stain's been left on for 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure to wipe down the table with a clean, damp cloth, and then you can dry it or let it air dry. And as you can see, a nice, clean, white table. And it was done naturally and quickly. It will only take about 5 minutes. So that was my tip on how to clean tomato stains off of your baby's chair in a natural, easy, and fun way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe to be notified for more videos. Thanks for watching.